Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with my very exciting video. So let's directly jump into the video. So in this video, I'm going to share my review on this product जिसका नाम है Aqualogica Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen. So let's talk about its packaging first. It comes in a plastic packaging which makes it travel friendly. This sunscreen is enriched with papaya and vitamin C. It's SPF 50 plus and PA4 plus. Talking about its filters, this contains titanium dioxide and suncat DE, and this also has a bunch of hydrating and soothing ingredients. If I talk about its texture, it has a thick texture but it feels lightweight, does not leave any white cast, and gives a healthy glow on your skin. Can you see the glow? I hope it's visible on the screen. So it's a great option in the market. This is an amazing formulation. This is for someone who has normal to dry skin type, but this is not suitable for oily skin. I generally use this sunscreen especially in winters but not in summers. आपके फेस को एक प्यारा सा ग्लो देने के साथ साथ आपके स्किन को हाइड्रेट भी करता है। आई नोटिस्ड ये आपके कॉम्प्लेक्शन को वन शेड डार्क भी करता है। आई डोंट नो व्हाई। सो ओवरऑल इट्स अ डिसेंट सनस्क्रीन दैट यू कैन ट्राई वंस। सो या दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी एंड प्लीज मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल और अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।